If you're looking for an efficient way to filter contacts in TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to filter your contacts to streamline your workflow and enhance your team's productivity. Stay tuned, because I'll also be sharing a few insights on how the CRM compares to others and an exclusive offer you don't want to miss. The first thing you'll want to do is open your TeamGate CRM account and navigate to the Contacts section. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your contacts. Now, filtering these contacts allows you to focus on the ones that matter most. In TeamGate, it's simple to sort by specific criteria like name, email, company, or even activity type. Next, let's talk about the basic filters TeamGate provides. You can filter by lead status, which is incredibly helpful for narrowing down contacts based on where they are in the sales process. You'll see options like new, in progress, or closed. This makes it easy to identify which leads need follow-up and which ones you can close or move to a different pipeline. The third thing you can do is use custom filters. This feature is a real time saver, allowing you to filter contacts by specific tags you've assigned them, like VIP or high priority. If you've been diligent about tagging your contacts, this can be a great way to find exactly who you need to focus on without scrolling through a long list. Next, you can use advanced filters to get even more specific. For instance, if you want to see contacts who are from a particular region, industry, or even have specific custom fields filled out, you can add multiple filter criteria. This layered approach to filtering is incredibly powerful for teams that need to segment their leads or contacts for targeted outreach. Now, TeamGate does have a decent set of filtering options, but here's where it falls short compared to other CRMs on the market. TeamGate doesn't offer as much flexibility when it comes to integrations with other tools, and its reporting features could be a little more advanced. It also lacks some of the deeper automation workflows that other CRMs, like HubSpot, offer, which could be a deal breaker for larger teams looking for more robust solutions. The next thing I want to point out is that while filtering contacts is easy in TeamGate, the overall user interface can be a bit clunky. If you're used to CRMs with sleeker, more intuitive designs, this might take a little getting used to. But it does get the job done, and once you get the hang of it, it's a great tool for managing contacts. Now, before we wrap up, I've got something special for you. If you're interested in giving TeamGate CRM a try, there's an exclusive offer through our link in the description. You'll get access to an extended free trial, giving you more time to explore all the filtering options I just mentioned. But here's the kicker: while TeamGate CRM is solid, there are alternatives out there that might serve your needs better, especially if your goal is to scale your business. I've included links to some amazing alternatives, and they also come with a free trial. These alternatives offer more advanced features and better integrations, which can make filtering contacts and managing your sales pipeline even easier. So, check out our link for the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Let's make sure you've got the right tools for success.